Every home-based business starts with an idea, one that's creative and productive. I'm here to inspire you with 10 smart home-based business ideas to consider today. Did you know that 50% of existing small businesses in the U.S. are home-based? Well, that's according to the recent finding by the U.S. Small Business Administration. So clearly there is a future for home businesses. As a result, if you haven't thought of starting one, it's time you do. Not only does a home business have fewer overhead costs, but it also offers you so much flexibility. You get to work a few hours from home and achieve a work-life balance. What's more, a home business allows you to leverage the power of the internet and even get to serve the global community. But you may ask, what does it take to run a home business? According to global motivational speaker Byron Pulsifer, it takes motivation, perseverance, work, good habits, no excuses, balance, accountability, and action to work at home successfully. So, do you have all that? If yes, then it's time I inspire you with some lucrative home business ideas. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this one. Also, get your gift in the description below. You'll find excellent resources that will change your life from good to the life you deserve. Now, here are 10 good home-based business ideas for the taking. Number 1. Homemade products business. Do you have magical hands? Hands that can create something worth buying? Then make your skill count. Many people earn a living selling homemade crafts like jewelry, home decor, wall art, beauty products, clothes, and shoes. Others make and sell homemade soaps, candles, makeup products, and food. With a platform like Etsy only taking 5% of what you sell, you should earn decently through your gift. The secret to making your home business lucrative is staying unique, listening to your customers, and maintaining consistency in your production. Also, it's a good idea to advertise your homemade products online, more so on social media. You can even launch an online store where customers can visit to browse your products and order some. Number 2. Start a dropshipping store. With so many people running to online shops nowadays, there couldn't be a more perfect time to set up an online store. You may have thought about it, but you haven't been able to do it because of a lack of inventory. But what if I tell you that you don't even have to own your inventory to run an online store? Yes, you got that right. You don't need to hold the stock that you want to sell. I'm talking about dropshipping, a business model that allows you to pass orders from customers to the supplier for fulfillment. You're asking, what do I do and how do I make money? Well, your job is to promote the product, and when the order comes in, you pass it to the supplier for packaging and delivery. You'll need to add your profit to the supplier's asking price when quoting the product to the customer, so you keep your gain when you pay the supplier. Voila! It's that simple. Some of the best places for dropshipping are eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. Number 3. Sell an online service. Do you have a knack for the English language? Can you identify and fix grammatical slip-ups, misspellings, and other text errors? If yes, then you can start selling proofreading services online. Perhaps you can write blog posts, news articles, ads, resumes, ebooks, stories, proposals, or research projects. If so, then you can work as a freelance writer. Maybe you have a good ear and your typing skills aren't bad. In this case, you can do transcription. Other than proofreading, freelance writing, and transcription, you can also offer graphic design, virtual assistants, and voiceover acting, among many other services. I recommend Upwork, TopTal, Guru, People Per Hour, and Fiverr for selling online services. Number 4. Start a pet business. The pet business sector is booming, and it's pretty understandable. With so many homeowners keeping pets but not having the time to take care of them, there will always be a need for someone to fill the gap. Pets, especially dogs, need to exercise, which often means taking them out for a walk. If that appeals to you, you can run a dog walking business. Other pets require someone to look after them, just like you do with babysitting. Therefore, you can also run a pet sitting business. But if I were you, I would combine the two. Also, you can offer pet boarding services at home, where you look after pets overnight. The other line to explore is pet training if you know how to get pets under control and instill good pet behaviors. Number 5. A virtual tutoring business. There are so many forms of virtual tutoring that you can explore as a business. For one, you can pursue ESL or English as a second language, where you teach non-English natives English. That job pays decently, given that the average hourly pay is $20. In most cases, you only need a degree and you should be an English native to offer virtual ESL lessons. You can find these jobs on QKids, VIP Kid, Magic Ears, and English First. Besides ESL, you can also offer academic lessons to assist students in preparing for exams and tackling challenging school assignments. You can find academic tutoring jobs on TutorMe, Chegg, and Tutor.com. And if you are fluent in a foreign language like Spanish, German, Chinese, or French, you can find jobs on Verbaling, Upwork, Simply Hired, or Indeed. Number 6. A blogging business. Blogging is fun, and you get to write about things you are passionate about, knowledgeable about, or both. Running a blog is, however, better because it generates passive income. You can monetize your new blog with ads and affiliate links, and you can also sell ebooks, software, or courses. While not everyone makes meaningful earnings from blogging, most bloggers that I know make $1,000 to $5,000 a month. I also run blogs that earn me over $2,000 monthly, and I plan to launch a few more. The secret is to choose a less competitive niche and produce quality content to beat the existing competition. Though there might be a lot of blogs out there doing what you might want to do, the earning potential is limitless. So, are you ready to start blogging? Then sign up with Bluehost today for only $2.95 a month for hosting and a free domain to set up your blog. Check the latest Bluehost offers in the description below. Number 7. In-home daycare or elderly care business. Are you good with kids? Can you look after them during the day from the comfort of your home? If yes, then consider starting an in-home daycare. You'll probably need a license for that, but that's just about it. The expenses are few if you have space and workforce, but the earnings are decent. Since licenses for daycare vary between states, you'll have to confirm the compliance requirements from your local authority. You can find babysitting gigs on care.com, sittercity.com, Craigslist, or urbansitter.com. And if you can't run a daycare at home, you can start an elderly care business. Unlike an in-home daycare, which you run from your home, you'll need to visit the homes of the elderly when running an elderly care business. Depending on location, you can ask for up to $20 per client when running either daycare or an elderly care business. Number 8. A home cleaning service. If you are good at cleaning the house, you can clean other people's homes and get to make some serious money. But still, you can hire a few cleaners to work with you, or you could supervise them. This business idea is not capital intensive, given that you only need to register your business, get some proper cleaning gear, and market yourself. Overall, it's advisable to start local. Ask around home for cleaning jobs. You can target your neighbors, fellow church friends, or business people. Don't forget about social media and Craigslist, as there are always potential clients there. And as far as the earnings are concerned, you can charge per house or per hour. Number 9. A ride-sharing business. If you own a car and don't mind sharing a ride with commuters on a short notice, you could sign up for ride-sharing. You can always make short trips around your town if you don't want to go far. Impressively, you can choose which trip requests to answer to and which ones not to. Overall, so many ride-sharing services are coming up, with the leader being Uber. Its closest challenger is probably Lyft, which unfortunately is only available in the U.S. and Canada. Bolt is also another fast-growing service around the globe, so you can consider that too. Number 10. Space-sharing businesses. It's not just your car that you can share, but also your space. Are you familiar with Airbnb hosting? That's when you rent out a room or an apartment to guests through the Airbnb platform and you get paid. Depending on your space's location and the size and style, you can make $50 to $200 per guest per night on Airbnb. But still, Airbnb is not the only platform for space sharing. You can also try Vrbo, Trippin.com, or Home2Go. They allow you to advertise your space to the world, so you can always have people to host if your room is cozy enough. With the home-based business ideas I've shared, you can start to run a successful business from home. You have the option of running the venture part-time or full-time depending on your preference. Here is another excellent video for you. Small business ideas at home. Until next time, take care.